Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best portable rechargeable table fan under rupees 700 or $10. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see a rechargeable portable table fan. Right now I am holding. So I've been using it since for a month now. So I will give my impressions how this fan performs and whether it's worth spending a $10 or rupees 700 for this rechargeable portable table fan. So I'll just show you what you get when you purchase this product. So let me just show you. This is not an unboxing or a paid review. I'm just showing you as I've been already using it, so I'm just showing you back when you purchase this or order this item, so what you get inside. So in the box you will get only the two items. One is the fan and one is a micro USB cable, type A to micro USB. So you need to connect here, and you need to purchase a separate travel charger adapter to attach this type A connector. So you can just adjust the size and you can just pull it up and place it on the table just like this, and depending upon the angle how much you want. So maximum supports the 90-degree angle, so you can just bend it to 45, 30, that much, and you can just close it again and just you can carry on your back also. So it is completely rechargeable when you can use it by connecting with the direct current by connecting with this micro USB cable. So I want to give my month users experience. So how does fan perform while I'm using this completely a month ago. So let me show you. Here you will get some buttons here. This is a button. Right now you can see here a button. So you will get a 4 dot indicators. So when you click on it here, the first button you were seeing, it's a speed 1, and when you press once more it's a speed 2, and when you press the last one it's a third, and it's a maximum speed. So when you charge you will get a red indicator here, and when you are using on the battery mode you will see a green indicator. Right now you can see a green light indicator. So how far the speed or the airflow goes. So you may assume a single room and it may go maximum to up to the 5 meters. So I'm not sure up to the 5 meters or not, but I'm assuming it will definitely go to the 5 meters distance. The airflow will go to the 5 meter distance if it is in the full speed. So when you are using in the first speed, it may run up to the 5 hours. That is, the battery backup may give you a 5 hours in a full single charge. But if you increase the speed to the 2 and 3, it may give you a lesser number of hours. That is, for a single charge, if you are getting a 5 to 6 hours, then for the second speed you may get like 3 to 4 hours, and for the third, if you use it for the maximum speed, then you may get to 2 to 3 hours or maybe less than that. So depending upon the price what you have spent and the battery backup, I'll definitely say is a quite good battery backup that this fan is providing to us. So how is the sound that comes out when you use this fan? In the single mode it's not too noisy, as you can see. Yes, you might hear. And if you put in the twice, still it's not too noisy. And if you put in the 3 speed, so you may hear some sounds, but it's quite acceptable, not like other cheap fans which used to make a lot of noise. So in my opinion, I think this is the best portable rechargeable table fan under rupees 700 or $10. So in my opinion, you should definitely try, and you can share your experience after using this rechargeable table fan. So considering the price, I will definitely say that it's a good table rechargeable fan. So you can go and check it out by clicking on the purchase link that I will be leaving in the video description. So you try it out by yourself, and if you have any doubt regarding this product, you can leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your related questions. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.